Genti Ofuma, listen, Kangwa Ofuma. Unu choku udo di na Southeast. Governors, I'm talking to you. Southeast leaders, I'm talking to you. Do not take this my word for granted. It is a word of prophecy. Unu choka peace do no boda abu ani Igbo niile. Make any show nuno the yas not round table. Release the man Nnamdi Kanu. Kangwa kuna Nnamdi Kanu will go duplicate of himself. Even if you look for Nnamdi Kanu today, na force here, it will go more than 200 millions of Nnamdi Kanu. It will go more than 30 millions duplicated of Nnamdi Kanu. And they're very bad and mean that can do anything undo. So if you people want to calm situation, it's a word of prophecy. Don't say I did not tell you, because time shall come when you will run to airport to fly with your private jet. Youth will block airport. Time shall come when you will run to any seaport, run to anywhere. Youth will block everywhere. Use what? Just take a look at what happened to Alaba International as example. Politicians are running to Lagos State. Now, Lagos State. The killings and destructions never an Igbo. If you have personal interest, have you ever invited your wife, your children, your siblings, and your relations to come and vote for you, or to come and vote PVC, HMA voting? Look at what happened to North. Abba Kyari, can the United States of America be accused of fraud? As Odoya Buku or Rota here, a may have Kyari extradite to USA. Look at Mamalami Magumi, Hunting the butcher, he lost now, Bagari, and you have mobility, near high escort, near Hamopo, and I have Bagari, now guy up and down, without freely. Have you ever heard that the federal government naturally? Why encourage you this issue? Look at what happened at his own bed, because they discovered a small oil. And why you took our baranchi, Uno Bankete. Oh, when you took a very reprobate mind, time shall come where youth will have a devilish mind in such a way that now there's nothing on this planet Earth that will change their mind. See, let me tell you, in this country, we don't have up to 10 million soldiers, coupled with soldiers, army, and them, all the forces. I'm not sure say they reach 10 million. But if youth that will defend themselves are more than 200 millions, time shall come when youth in abroad, in Europe, in Asia, every part of the world will enter flights, come down to fight what belongs to them. In on a beggy, and they put oil in a beggy, they make you a security guard over your own property. You don't want to talk because of getting, you have sold yourself as a slave. You will run, but you don't hide. Hear me and hear me clearly. Agana Ozem no one should be a good negu, Aganabia. She called Agu Negus Nigeria also. Aganabia. To quench this war that is coming, do the right thing. Please the masses. Give the masses what they want. You cannot be telling us to come and vote, to vote you in power for you to come back again and humiliate us. And now Trump, and you want masses to not to talk. In a saying about Kendi actually in a chill man, in a chill one of you, or human being can actually, and then I just just had they go tired. No good road in Southeast. Every time we keep on blaming federal government. Buhari do this, Buhari do that. Man, at the same location on the Yende Kaduna, Kanu, Sokoto, Zamfara, Kana Yendibo. Can you hear me? No good road in our Southeast. Governors carry the money, put for their pockets. No good amenity, no basic amenity, no work, no job. Somebody be a graduate to go see Akupo, Obruke Kenanya, and he wanted to be happy. Don't you know that is an angry man hungry man is an angry man? When somebody is very, very hungry, I go somebody, the person can commit crime and the question come because of ago. Save on the life of people. I don't want to say much, but let me round up. Yen de kubu na aga na abia. Aga na abia nebu na obu na aga. Unu kwe ke deceive unu. E kpona to unu from Lagos, kpona to unu from Abuja, kpona to unu from all the corners of life. Unu abara tabari Igbo ka unu to akwụkwọ. Onye ọbụla bara moto bataba ka o mee everything niile. Egbu ha anaghị, you are the one that kill yourself. Egbugo, their family will be enjoying. Aga na abia nebu na emesie ibe ha na-ekpe on 21st. Ọbụna akpọpụta ha Nnamdi Kanu na release here. Youth nwere obi na azụ. Millions of youth are ready to die if things are not right. Thank you very much. Take my message. You might hate me, you might dislike me, but try to pick 1 or 2 points from what I've just said. Thank you very much.